song we'll all sing along with the Mother Goose Club. The Mother Goose Club!
1, 2, buckle my shoe.
1, 2, 1, 2. Let's sing and tap our shoes.
Yeah.
1, 2, buckle my shoe.
3, 4, open the door. 5, 6, pick up sticks.
7, 8, lay them straight.
9, 10,
Do it again!
1, 2, buckle my shoe.
3, 4, open the door.
5, 6, pick up sticks.
7, 8, lay them straight.
9, 10, a big fat hen.
Brother John.
Bonjour. ¿Cómo allez-vous? Hola. ¿Cómo estás? Hello. I'm learning French and Spanish. I'm going to imagine that I'll visit England, France, and Spain. Will you imagine with me?
Are you sleeping? Are you sleeping, Brother John? Brother John, morning bells are ringing, morning bells are ringing. Ding, ding, dong, ding, ding, dong. Frère Jacques, dormez-vous, dormez-vous. Sonnez les matines, ding, ding, dong, ding, ding, dong. Fray Felipe, duermes tú, suena la campana, tin tan tan, tin tan tan. Are you sleeping? Are you sleeping, Brother John? Brother John, morning bells are ringing, morning bells are ringing. Ding, ding, dong, ding, ding, dong. Morning bells are ringing, morning bells are ringing. Ding, ding, dong, ding, ding, dong. Morning bells are ringing, morning bells are ringing.
I just love to use my imagination, don't you? Thanks for playing pretend with me. Au revoir. Adios. Goodbye.
6 in the bed.
Baba, do you have any 6s?
Yes.
Eep, you win.
I win? I win!
See, I told you sleepovers were fun.
Is this your first ever sleepover?
Yeah, I guess so.
You're going to love it. Sleepovers at Mary's house are the best.
Okay, I've got extra pillows. Oh, perfect. I'm so sleepy. Well, it looks like it's time for bed.
Okay, so it's a little tight, but can you believe all 6 of us fit? Actually, why is it that little Mary has such a big bed?
I guess I'll grow into it, right? Sweet dreams, everybody.
I don't think I'm sleepy yet. Anyone want to play one more game?
Oh, it's okay, Eep. I know it can be kind of hard to go to sleep when you're not in your own bed.
I guess it is kind of different.
Maybe a bedtime song would help.
Ooh, do you know the one about 6 kids all in one bed?
There were 6 in the bed, and the little one said, roll over, roll over. So they all rolled over, and one fell out. There were 5 in the bed, and the little one said, roll over, roll over. So they all rolled over, and one fell out. Roll over, roll over, roll over, roll over, roll over, roll over, roll over. There were 4 in the bed, and the little one said, roll over, roll over. So they all rolled over, and one fell out. There were 3 in the bed, and the little one said, roll over, roll over. So they all rolled over, and one fell out. Roll over, roll over, roll over, roll over, roll over, roll over, roll over. There were 2 in the bed, and the little one said, roll over, roll over. So they all rolled over, and one fell out. There was 1 in the bed, and the little one said, good night, good night, good night.
Now that's fast asleep.
He looks so peaceful.
So, where do we sleep now? I don't want to wake him up.
Mary, do you have any sleeping bags? Of course. I know it can be hard to sleep when you're not in your own bedroom.
But it's nothing a good song won't fix.
Or a good story. Or good friends. Bye.
Good night.
Sweet dreams.
Sleep tight.
Driving in my car. Vroom, vroom. Beep, beep. Oh, hi. Let's pretend we're driving. But first, we have to buckle our safety belt. Here we go. Driving, driving in my car. Going very far. Down the street in my car. Driving, driving in my car. Feeling like a star. Bouncing down the street in my car. Driving, driving in my car. Turn the handlebar. Speeding down the street in my car. Yeah, woohoo! Bouncing on a bumpy road.
shake.
Oh, hi! Are you waiting for the train too? One of my favorite parts about coming to the city is riding on the subway. Ooh, it sounds like it's coming now. But be sure to step away from the train until it comes to a complete stop. It's the A train. Come on.
Jack, what a nice surprise!
Mary, where are you headed?
To the library. What about you?
To the zoo.
Ooh, fun.
I can't wait to ride the zoo train. But my favorite train is the subway. Can you believe that we get to zoom through the tunnels under the street?
Plus, did you know that when more people ride subways, it keeps the air clean?
Yes, just hold on tight. Listen to that sound.
Boom chicka, boom chicka.
Zoom chicka, zoom chicka. Say, does the subway ever make you want to dance?
Boom chicka boom chicka boom boom boom. Boom chicka boom chicka zoom zoom zoom. Boom chicka boom chicka shake shake shake. Boom chicka quake quake quake. Boom chicka rumble and roll the subway shake. Here we go. Under the sidewalk, boom boom boom. Down in the tunnel, zoom zoom zoom. Step in the subway, shake shake shake. Hold those handrails, quake quake quake. Ride down train tracks, rumble and roll the subway shake. Go go go. Here it comes, the subway shake. Here we go. Boom chicka boom boom boom. Boom chicka zoom zoom zoom. Boom chicka shake shake shake. Boom chicka quake quake quake. Boom chicka rumble and roll the subway shake. Here we go. Here comes the B train, boom boom boom. Here comes the 3 train, zoom zoom zoom. Here comes the Q train, shake shake shake. Here comes the 2 train, quake quake quake. Boom chicka rumble and roll the subway shake. Go go go. Here it comes, the subway shake. Here we go. Boom chicka boom boom boom. Boom chicka zoom zoom zoom. Boom chicka shake shake shake. Boom chicka quake quake quake. Boom chicka rumble and roll the subway shake. Here we go. Rumble and roll the subway shake. Go go go. Here it comes, the subway shake. Here we go.
Whoa!
Well, this is my stop.
Have fun at the library.
Okay. Wait, could we dance the subway shake again sometime?
Of course. Bye, Mary.
Bye, Jack.
Do you ever wish you could ride the subway all day long? But even if you can't, you can always do the subway shake. Rumble and roll, rumble and whoa! Be sure to hold on tight. Bye!
Apples and bananas.
Hey! Does that say silly supermarket?
It sure does. But how can a supermarket be silly?
I don't know, but I want to find out.
I have an idea. Let's go inside and buy some fruit for our picnic.
Yum! Let's go! All I see is regular fruit. Nothing silly here.
Not silly, but delicious. Look, apples and bananas.
I like to eat apples and bananas. I like to eat apples and bananas. I like to eat apples and bananas. I like to eat apples and bananas. I like to eat eat apples and bananas. I like to 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 oat 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 apples and bananas. I like to oot 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 apples and bananas.
Now that's what I call a silly supermarket.
You think these fruits are funny? Listen to my joke. What do you call an apple that plays the trumpet?
I don't know.
A tutti frutti!